Hey y'all, welcome to Soulsome Foodie. Today I'll be showing you how to make these keto-friendly mini cheesecakes. Don't they look so good? They are totally irresistible and so easy to make. Stay tuned. For the crust, you're going to need some melted butter, almond flour, your sweetener of choice, a little nutmeg, and a little cinnamon. In a small mixing bowl, you're going to combine all of those ingredients and then mix until well incorporated. Now I'm spraying a little bit of cooking spray into each of these silicone cups before I divide my crust dough evenly among all 6. Using the back of a metal spoon, I'm going to be flattening out the crust so it's nice and even and all the way flat to the bottom. Do this for all 6. The technique I'm using here is just pressing my spoon, lifting, turning, and then pressing again, lifting, turning, pressing again until I can get the crust nice and flat all the way around. Okay, here's what those crusts look like. Now I'm going to pop it into a 350-degree oven for 10 minutes. For the cheesecake filling, I have some cream cheese, sweetener of choice, an egg, vanilla extract, lemon juice, cinnamon, nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. In a medium mixing bowl, I'm going to go ahead and beat 1 block of softened cream cheese until it's nice and smooth. Now all I'm doing is adding in all of the other ingredients, and then I'm going to mix it really well with the mixer. Here's what the cheesecake batter should look like when it's mixed up really well. And now I'm going to go ahead and remove my crusts from the oven. As you can see, they have started to brown just a little bit. I'm going to take a 1/4 cup measure to scoop the cheesecake mixture into each of these cups. Here's how they look right before I placed them in a 350-degree oven. And here they are after they're done baking. What you're going to want to do next is to have these cool down either in the refrigerator or the freezer before topping. Y'all, look at these. Don't they look so good? So I went ahead and did some topping. I also did some plating here. I'm about to pick one up just so you can see how yummy it looks. You can see the texture. Look at that crust. Come on. I'm about to take a bite because, like I said, they are irresistible. Look at how soft and perfect this looks. They are so good. For the toppings, I chose to use some sugar-free strawberry preserves. I also used some blueberries, chopped up strawberries. Here I am adding some whipped cream. Feel free to use these toppings or any other toppings of your choice. These are super versatile. So yummy. Please enjoy these last few photos. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.